Natalya, Margaret, Amido, Lindsay, 23, Barangay San Francisco.
Our Jollibee's choice is Miss San Francisco.
Miss San Francisco es Natalya Margaret Lindsay. Miss San Francisco is Natalya Margaret Lindsay.
Girls, still hopeful for their names to be called, but we have 3 more spots left, and the next one belongs to Miss San Francisco.
As a representative of San Francisco, a progressive barangay, I advocate towards improving mental health through arts. We can see surrounding us all of the pavilions, all of the art of our people, and all of this combined can make a community where we can make the youth feel safe and be able to express themselves. Thank you.
Your question is, what Mabalacat tradition do you want to promote? Again, what Mabalacat tradition do you want to promote?
Well, the easiest answer would be Balacat Festival itself. But what I would promote in regards to the festival is all the specific details that come with what the festival is. I would promote that the festival comes from the name Balacat, which is the tree that our town's name, city's name came from. I would promote that we have a culture of Aita. I would promote that we come together with religion and all sorts of arts to create this festival, and I would be proud to represent it. Thank you.
You can breathe easy now, for you belong to the top 5. Candidate number 20, Barangay San Francisco, Natalya Margaret A. Lindsay. Candidate number 20 from Barangay San Francisco, Natalya Margaret A. Lindsay. Hello there, Miss Barangay San Francisco. I just want to ask, how do you prefer to be called, Natalya or Margaret?
Natalya.
Natalya, yeah. I prefer Natalya too. So Natalya, how do you feel right now?
I am nervous and excited at the same time.
Yeah, you know, that's understandable, but hey, keep that smile on your face because right now I'm going to ask you a question. So hope you're ready for this. Here you go. Natalya, if you win tonight as Miss Mabalacat City 2024, how will you promote the arts and culture of Mabalacat City without the use of social media? Once again, if you win tonight as Miss Mabalacat City 2024, how will you promote the arts and the culture of Mabalacat City without the use of social media?
Thank you very much for the question. So this question aligns very well with what my heart wants if I win Miss Mabalacat, since My advocacy is to improve mental health through arts. I believe that culture is part of art. That is why we are here right now, and that is why everything around us right now is so beautiful. I would promote it through an organization where I could bring the youth together to celebrate the art that we have and to improve the art skills that we have and will have. I will bring us together to other places to promote Mabalacat, and I would use word of mouth especially, since that is the most valuable and most trustworthy source of knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Natalya, Margaret, Lindsay. Mabalacat City, your new Miss Mabalacat City 2024 is candidate